I'm getting closer. Because there's really nowhere to get this flaky stuff off of here. This thick, flaky rust. It's wearing me out. I've just been beating it off. Using my peener hammer. The more you beat, the more it comes off. So it's time consuming. But it'll be worth it when it's done. At least I'll know what's under there. A lot of little pinholes to patch. Alright, I'm getting closer. A lot of work, but closer. Alright, y'all have a good day. Beautiful sunny day here in Florida. We're almost ready to start planting. She's getting the garden ready. Alright, y'all have a good day.